Mama kwa baba Oshiwan TV and then so akoye ukuada and then so ye shia nyame adom nyame de yenkwa kyeye oma ya hoden sronko Macau say edu ukuada enko bibia ebo no nso atena se na tie nyame sem se de be ya wabrabo wo de betoto wabrabo hu se de awo ye efata se wo be ye na ye ni yi ama nyame na embrepe mu no nyame to nsafra wa wotumi nya kuntapa bi ebu and then so nyame adom ya san ehia and ye de nsam foforo na nam na ye bekasa afan se de be ya wo ne me ebetumi abobra ne yie na de ye de batitiru eda so ene se must couple joint their account efata se oba ne be ma wo ma ware wo mo de wo sika ebom ekora ewo sika kora bia eno na nde ye beche eho asem na nyame adom asem yi susususu a ye beche yi eho nsunsonso bebre epie nti ye bebdi ho ebobo kakra na nyame amakwan mande me saka asofo mienu nyame adom a wo makwadare ewo bible mu nti ye de sase mepem wo mo se de be ya wo betumi akirem na wo hu se de awo ye na beboa so twere konkron ka ana se nka eno na nde ye bedi hu ebobo nti nyame adom me hwe mayi mu no ye osofo ande me nsaka no ye osofo Albert Sam ono no di me nsa nimfa Albert Sam asafo a ono da no as osofo a ono ohwe ne nyina asafo no nyina so ene asoro no se de yesi akichem no ohwe ne nyina so no ono asoro ne din aye Victory Bible Church ewo Elmina nti se ye ka osofo Albert area head anase area district pastor sa na ye beka no enti oba yinso wan sheda so no nkwa ba because hwe se dia nsam ne te a so onye obi ka no ho na nipa no so kra no de ati ne mu nya small ono so kra no watete no ma bible no akwadare no osofo ne boafo de Pastor Morgan Ata ono so youth pastor nti me no ka say kura no asafo no ba kokura wo ho a no so ye de ahye no sa o hwe so na kire say nkrofo we ahode wo mumu mpemfo mama akwa baba
eja
mumpo mu nyame adom menso me ho ye na so ma me hye ho de
class adom wa hye ne ho ye papa
aha
yeah
nyame adom no pay na ye dwen ho se nda nwubri ye be hia enti ye hie se me ma wote ho asese ensem edida ma yi so me pronso a ye se ye dwen ho na joint account a ye beka ho asemi ho nsunsonso pie na mpe se ye di ho ebobo kakra yeah wo hwa bema bi a young guy and o share oba no na ne tena ya wo mo ware kama aware anu mu a sa oba no o ma me wo no ba ko pe bema ka no ho no wuye nti ma me no be ko ne se mejire no oye will nti sa samanse ne a oye ye no sa ma me no wasase nti o de asase no ehye ne ba ne sa asase na eso na o de bi ma abusuafo na o de di aka no de ma ne ba no nti nyoma nyina kodi ne ba no ho na bema ni obai eye adwen ba ko nti won ko bankrum no se sei no wo abomodin aye joint account ne sidan e wasase so nyame adom so nyame hira wo nti wo si abansoro down no ana ase no wo aye no store building for instance stores nti store building na wo aye no stores no down stores no any top no wo aye no flat a wo team ana nkrofo so high nso anto ahoambo obai edwa because be man aye dia ompe say me no ka say awareja yaba oba na hye be ma ne say so betumi consider na dey stores no fa mu ba ko onsiesie no ndam tempera because a dino esi ono ana asase so a dino so joint account o mo ye ntini sika e wo mu pa ni sika pudu na wo mu me no ka say yasem na abada manima no pea ema me no makasa so be ma ne de asem na ha no nti o se obetie ya hwe ye eni nkomo sofo wo hwa dia be ma yeye efa no kwa so
oba na so
be ma no na oye tire a one oba yi adwen ho na wo sidan wo oba na asase so na me ka fa se oba dia so mba dia o mpia dia efo
nti wo pa che so oba ma no ye mistake
dia wa ye no kwa so ana
me ka se ne kwa so a wo san de ma wasi se ye ka efi Bible perspective dia hwe aware a sɛ ne wo hyase no ne be ka sa hyase no wo mu dwunyamedwen oba ne be ma ni nyina oba no a ne maame ewu no agya na japade na wanya ne ho kafo no odwi nyamedwen beka sa hyase no wo wonte ase e waware ho wo se ye be ware de se na bible akan be bi fini na ne jafie ne ne yira bom na waye honam ekro ye Genesis chapter 2:24 kan beka sa lenti ase ye djuma nti oba na suggest ye say oh why say e koto asase sisi aya be ye honam okro nti ade ya media ya wodia why say yemfa eden insi asase a me ma be di jami so beyin nso ehun say ampa sana bible ka sisi aya be ye honam okro bible say Amos chapter 3 by verse 3 ebisi den na nipa mienu anante how can two work together
except they agree.
Yeah. Nti ashase nti ase na eti ase ye djuma mu se na aware no beka se CP wo mtu ni nyina wonte ase omo ya adwen kro ebo mu se ompese omo ye nipa kro no omo abeye no edadi ewo omo niye mu
Yeah.
omo abrabom omo sikam omo bibia mu ese kro ye edadi amjiri ese na nya wrong until say ibia akasa ebaye na akasa nso de meka say na betable to me si wawarim ba eno so enkyere say obrema no anya ade
osofo bebi a wo kɔ emani nje ho masam ne say me pese me hunu say be ma no so tie ne yire no no e fata so tie ne yire na no tie o wo hu be ma wo yetire nti wo yetire nko ade your decision must be firm. Yes, sir, we your friends autocratic, but your decision must be firm. Obana say me suggest one chira ne chinchin chi say yen si dan was asase so na yen si a me no ntena
osofo ma benye so mi twa no unse medical na ka bibi da nyame asem ne de ware obana suggest me de obana dwi nyame dwen Bema no so dwi nyamedwen enti initially no bi hu bibia eye wrong say mabe waro na eye honamokro na enye na so nipa brabo no santa adwebo ni timi be ni peti
eno nti na mebusa say
na ye twa no so a ye nye papa da
no but enye na share no wo ye bibia say wo dwen the negative aspect first
eye no kware papa
yeah nanti
but ya be ya awarefo ya be wa ya warefo
osofo ti what they are can still me challenge you say aware na nya be ma nya guy na brabom na wo hunu say aware egu e wo ho tete e wo ho nti the first place no e san ko dwen hu say ade a ye bibi boni betumi asi so in case bibi imagine say wo mu anya well na say busua no ba ku wu a yan fa say oba no dikan wu a nkwala no ho no oba na chirfo no mpanyimfo wo a ebi ntumi wu anase wonyina ntumi sa na se be ma no eti ene nkwala ne te na nyoma wo mu agya no including sa asasem ya na akoba ne se ebusua no bi ebem se wo mu pe portion
otie wo sha se no ka se ma me ne ba krope
yeah
eno ye were nso ma ne ba no
yeah
definitely no se oba ni wukura ekọ eku ne ema ne ho ha na ebusuafo nse dem because ma me ne de chen ne ba no say ade a ema no edoso de a no ninu ebi fi be otumi efi ba bi aba but once o de man ne ba wa ye well ato so ne de so oba na wo no ba na dikan free me ekọ ba na ema ho ene ni ku ho ntini abeka say ye no kwa se nipa bi a adwen o ye se adwen papa no adwen bone ba ne America ne say wo mu dwen nyamedwen oba na nkasa dwi nyamedwen ena bayin nso adwi nyamedwen si abeya honam kwa say na bible ka say me ni pedua bible ka say ni pedua say 1 Corinthians chapter 7:4 say bema oba ni tumi woni ni pedua so bema nso ni tumi woni so nti if me ni pedua no nyame dia na eyewo dia na nso wo tumi why there bibia me wo bia ye wo dia nso bibia me wo bia ye ti aware ase na say yakɔ say ne Bible ekɔ dia na nche ne kwan so ano no ma be waro bibia me wo bia abɛyɛ wo dia wonso wo dia abɛyɛ me dia
na say na worje ye abɛyi
awari jande na mse
and now by so claiming ownership of the land and ownership of the building simply because one mo ye joint account
no ni American say me nye lawyer but say you no kware say joint account no
be ye lawyer say mo ye ka dia wo ka say ye ma Bible nkasa
na me ka say Bible kasa dia na ne kwanso ano ne there was nothing wrong
enti be man say uncle
no uncle say no kware say no kware say the sika shem say obe proof say a joint account no mdi see here dia any lawyer for bebe
for the sake of nkwalanje o ja uncle
I judge for beka na say lawyer for beka na omo afansa me ntumi judge say e so confessor na so confess but me as a pastor ne beka say omo dwinya me dwen but just so bonsam even Bible say Judas Iscariot and Satan entered into him and sometimes obonsam to me be oba no na man ho kwan and obonsam abewura ni mu and all ye near maybe are entities about and no soon to me and say near Yame akan ato hono. Inti meka say it's unfortunate that abandon them, but Wamuji Umutuni Ashas and Wamuji Yamijin now Obodi Yam.
What home pa me say who you faster than every passer or me boy because talk one yadi. I have for Oshi1 TV because say Oshi1 TV our Central Region KE Uba a friends are Mukafia Obehu Oshi1 TV our honum. Edu kwada bia bono nson kosi no wotwa yetena se ebobo nyamesem mu se de be ya mrentie ne mbaba wa esisui ebetumi adwen ho abobra ebeso yankopon ani enti nia wote ne nkan eya osofo Albert Sam asafo a osofo Albert Sam obehunu wom eya Victory Bible Church ewelmi na ono nso ne head pastor oba no one ne boafo ne ba pastor Morgan Atta ono yente ne nde enti tena se nati ono nso osofo Morgan the hope of like as anything be man me say wanye ni yo me the joint account the me ni munya jointa
you be no ya we
no mama pa na o chemi no first of all we dwen begin ti so baby ya me if no is trust on the toa mo the joint account in itself no onye evil but ekona ye fada
oh yeah the manual si bono na chasa me nim say evil anya evil de yam
and say
chaso na yanko
say ashase no dem ba okay no wodwen yamedwen but echi no na wo ma nsamsam bi
hwe ma menkyera wo no kuradie nti ya so panyin be kan sika so fo be boso because so fo nim say bibi be tumesi wadwen negative aspect about sika ne kan ye ho wo nti adenti na be ma no wontumi anya fast andwe ho say something extra can happen ewa brabo yi mu nti se no po se dan no po yesi no sa abansoro na wo mu si nka wonsi store building no nka wonjai na wonsi stores ewa dan ho na won compare dan foforo by this time insan kan ifurishi no enya duwe I say medina te me jitu
answer them life is full of risk but that's also mean
sure that is why I so doing risk
but that's also mean that because life is full of risk until you won't take risk
I had a you too know say you too
and them
see can so yakwa
and onya kwa them also guess you know on take matters you know in a legal way now him boy out to na
see can be no afri no copy lawyer akotwe manso
as can
remember ya say so also for me saw joint account say oba ne bema anase nipa mienu bi be ya adwen ba ko be ko bankuro mu ade om sika koto sika kora bia say yekuta account ye friend saying number ba ko pe wo access to that means mo access to that if we na buy identity na ba wi asisa
your joint accounts no the eba usan ebia na unse business your partnership nipa mienu betum do mutiabom so mo ye adwuma na usande ebia we di ni sikaba na we di ni sikaba no say omunya omutu nyina nya control accounts no
okay
nti enkoba say nipa ba ko pe ode be ye ne personal accounts onu kwa betumi akoyi sika obi nya awe nti eba ne demo a wonwa nipa na 2 or 3 or more no abo e wose mutimi e kan won tribom na wɔyɛ joint accounts sɛ adwuma no yɛ wɔn nyinaa deɛ ɛtumi ba nso sɛ asɔre nso asɔre accounts nyinaa yɛ joint accounts sɔfo na ɛda no ba sɔfo no asɔre no ɛnyɛ wo deɛ ntumi mma asɔre sika no ɛmfa ɛnyɛ wo personal accounts nti sika ɛbɛfi asɔre mu aba no ɛsɛ yɛnyɛ mpanyinfo mmienu bi na sɔfo ɛka ho na no nso yɛtumi ɛde kɔbie joint account sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a ebi a nipa koro na joint accounts bi a nso nipa koro ɛnsan ebi a ɛda sɛ ɔmu nyinaa anaasɛ nipa sɔfo no ɛne nipa koro anaa mmienu na ɔmo abɔ mu asan
nti wɔn na ɛyɛ principal ekuta principal
normally no sɛ yɛba asɔre no mu deɛ a yɛ na ɛyɛ sɔfo
na ekuta principal
ya obotu ni nipa koro ɛda koro ana asɔre panyin koro asan na ni nyinaa ne sɛ ɛbɔ sika ne ho ɛban
okay
ɛne bi asɔre panyin na nkotin ntumi nkoyi sika
okay
ana de sɔfo na nkotin ntumi nkoyi sika na aboa ama adwuma na asɔre no sika ɛwɔ sɛ ohia no de yɛ no ɔmo atumi ɛde akɔso ayɛ sɛ e protect asɔre ni sika sɛ yɛ adwuma nso a e protect adwuma ni sika ɛma sikasɛm ntumi nkɔyɛ basabasa nti abribia no na awrehim ɛwɔ hɔ sɛ sika bi ɛbɛba no since a ɛyɛ joint accounts nipa kro ntumi nwia ne ho nkɔyi sika ni nyinaa yɛ ni bɛba yɛ ho so no na sika ni nyinaa ni hɔ nti sɛ ɛyɛ joint accounts de agye si agree de yɛ hi sika kɔyɛ sei na yakɔyi sika no yɛ de akɔyɛ ade asɛsɛ yɛ de yɛ no a ɛfa adwuma ne ho na boa ma adwuma no etumpɔn anaasɛ asɔre no etumpɔn nti this are some of the ɛna awarefo nso dem na ya hyase di dey
yeah
ya be ware a bible say ya yi nipa ba ku yi dey
je say yi papa na me kana asemi
papa ya kana say
ya be asemi esi o western region yeah me no ka say wo mo hwe yen wo mo hwe yen be man wo hwe yen pa
ya be nipa ba ku yi dey who say bible ɛsɛ nipa beyin be fi na na tudim di kan kan no
te say the genesis kan no
genesis kan
no ba ko
omo abeye ba
esi ka sam so aye ba ko
ne urade akwa
ya dia so ba ko
ye bibia aye ba ko
na obi nso afa ho awe na
man sa so fo enti once ya beye ba ko ne de enye hu say esika sam so botum aye ba ko ama se wani so ade hu bi anase mu france aware ye ware a ye be hyase obi say mu fra bebam ye de bia na ye be ha de bia mo ware na mu ni dan bia mo be mu be we joint account no be boa is for the family nti obi hia say ye di etiri bebum bi o ba ye adwuma kakra be yin so ye adwuma kakra ye di ska bebum na aboa yen ama enisuade hu biara wo ho magusua no se ekun yire ne mba no etumi abam eduru ba bi na mu fra ne school fees edan ne pesi asase ne pesi eto a enkoye den emaye na ne ayaka bom no a ye de asie no etumi e de adwuma ama ebusua no nso etumi etumpon nti these are some of the reason why ohia say yebebie joint account
ehia say yebebie joint account ahwefo amohwe Ocean TV osofo Albert Sam na okasa osofo ata dia wo papa kan wo ne ya adwen
me ne ya adwen
edi anti na sa account eba wiase
oh
so wo ne me be ya adwen ba ko edi esika bom masa ewiase mo ayewei soro bebi a wo yeteten wo kwan ya fa so me no ka say wo maame otu mreka no a one day odi bi si ho no me fie ye tu mreka no a ye 7 kra bi ba castle e de so nti soro wo culture wo frim soro me culture same applies to sikasamo
ne essentials baby no okoti emos the how can two work together except they agree even though different culture, different values, different backgrounds, but we must come into agreement. The mazi yeri says ka baton koteza you know no on say we scare the baby and muska or the baby because there can be a cheat. And like the joint account is not evil, but as to how we go about it and on our peer evil.
And the joint account dem be wiase. Why cry na dream ho say ya dream back na yen say ya face gambo.
Oh today wa our room.
Ah.
Now a Juma partnership. It is say yeah a bin a basa. Na yes pray easy Juma be. Na madachi be wotu na oyanko papa. Then what's the need? Mayday. Then we need money to run the affairs of the business. What do you do? For what's the fabra?
Abra we feel say money is the root of all evil.
Oh yeah, but
Master.
but the love of it, the love of it, the love of it, the love of it.
Go.
It's more thing, and I was asking myself a question that for me to test the truthfulness of married partners to each other, no.
Yeah.
Joint account can tell.
Some way.
Joint account can tell.
Joint account can tell. I have also Mogata no Casano. Also, so person who no credit, our worry moi. Bearman no ba, our Marco and Cromody Sika, a Cogusika Crabiano, and a bachelor saying Crofway no gray. Also, member also. Me busa say, Sergeant County, why the creative one I dream? A sedan cran a bebo. Enya njo e wo wiase mu eye den kra na nipa dwen ho se ye mfa yesika mbom because me minim say ansana bone be koso no efri sika sem wo hwa eye soro kra bra na ye friend say Lucifer e wo soro ho no enidia na ope ni nyina na ya hoho ya o sika sem ya hoho ya o wo ba wiase nso ade ode ye Judas subscribe to Jesus. The same thing, Sikaya Sabri Grammy shows us or more joint account to Grammy shows or Dinsabu. Banhamba Bible. Well,
is there?
Okay.
It's in the Bible.
Yo, Becca there. Joint account once Bible say nipe 2 abebomu na yaye honam kro. Once physically.
Yeah.
Ye 2.
Yeah.
Bible say ye 1. Na ne tibia no na sika nso na yedi enante yedi yedwuma eye bibia no de enye den ye sika beba ye ntem na sika beba ye ntem na yesie sika bank wo ho nso a yesie sika yi de na enye den na yebesie sika na yebesie sika oba wo sika be yin so sika yebesi den yesie sika. And I believe that then the idea of joint accounts by. Now I know that say you come Matthew chapter 25 now.
Matthew 25.
Yeah. Then Jesus was talking about talent. Your day 1 no
your day
2, your day 2 or no day Oba ya na oka say on your day 1 no isurunti 1 fine
from the share honum no.
Oka say Odinisika ne ekosie baby anche obinya ho interest. So I believe that that time ni nyina no na accounts sika kra bi na ewo ho nti awarefo abebomu a anase edipa mienu aka wontra bom se pese ye adwuma once e discussem ye adwuma ne nko ade enye de na discuss be ko sika kra bi ane de men ka se sika na aba ye nyina ye de ano onko afa to accounts nti definitely no esi ebom na ye bi account
tio wo ye ticheni wo ba wo ye ticheni men so be ma me police ni se automatically me wo account ena me sika aba e dem account wo sika aba e dem account ye hia ma me esi me hia sika we na me yi ebia me yi 1000 Ghana nti se wo betumi ama me 500 Ghana ya fa to aso yes ade enye adwuma dan say
yes you are limiting to marriage ya unse ade na esi kwan se yaware ye nipa kro me nipa dua na nya wo dia enya me dia unsu nipa dua nya me dia bibibia ya wo dia that's the intiase about marriage
osofo ye ba wo be ko ade na ha me
tie mami mpepa mu ye
yeah
ade bia me wono si ye ko aware mu pa ne ate aware ase a Bible say 1 Corinthians chapter 13 verse 5 no also odo enhwehwe na nkasa ne de odo enhwehwe na nkasa ne de this a wo dom
Paul need me here
wo dom na me so me do wa aware na me kom no and about myself or about yourself. So me na me be warewa. It's about you, also about me.
It's about you, about me. And I say you to me.
See, another case Abba, but to me as I resolve it. But my make an necessary call our rails, our rain, I mean, share you. Yeah. And what Adrina or the share ye. And to say, the papa find ya me a so who's a Drew Bribi, Matthew chapter 19. So what kind that was in a bar? Not Pharisee for no. Ebisa Jesus Christ Bible so what tempting with this question.
Yeah.
Say yes obi be ja na yira na.
Sure.
Na se yehwe emwaya Jesus dem a wono na akoyese question a ebisa yi bi.
Nipa kuma denti.
Emwaya Jesus dem a. What's your chance no obo ba ni beyin.
Yeah.
Besia ni beyin.
Yeah.
The nunti eno quote Genesis chapter 2:24. Into oba be fi ebema be fi na jani na fi no ni beyin abom na verse 5 no only emphasis to say the two have become one.
Yeah.
Oma be ye kro.
Yeah.
Then the Pharisee fu say this question biom. Denti na Moses I miss Moses
Moses krata ona jai no
na jawere. Na Jesus say Moses kasa na e wa akoma denti but ashase no na unto them. It was not so from the beginning. And he say and there so obi beka say joint accounts enye good wa ware mu a na ye nipa akoma den ni person minkumi nya na ye ni berebon ni ade that's ye ko aware a Bible ahihye ni nyame ahihye say oba ni be ye adwen kro na ye de nante na ye bibi abom dia na nche there's nothing wrong with joint account but and then no was akoma den any person minkumi nya okwa aware mu no anka say pre ne dia ko na ni fie and ebusuampo omubeka chro besia no
ya dia fabrefie na obokari na wogya
amanu
say ewo ho caution ya de mawo so ko bokadi apiama be ma no because what you fear no be ware wo no ntina make say nipa adwen no
tie nipa adwen wo ho ba se adi nyame adwen ntina ware gya ipebire aba no our yet the adwin and the worry. Bible said there is a way that seems right to a man, but the end thereof is a way unto death.
Yeah.
It's nipa adwin and ye nyame de ni sin chain near the yankasi adwin. Ninti awarin kodu baby na pine. But ye di nyame de ne ko.
Yeah.
Sa wari ami komi minimi kru ne me yere ye koye baako nia ye bibia abom nia de abobra ahwemofra e de aye japade abom aye bibia abomu a Didi say enka bad obi e kono no de na adwen na separate accounts the individualistic ba ubehu an e bi obayin o hye ba bi ye bibia na obehu so ba ye dwapade o ba bi oba atwasase asidan kra na ni kunya we be man so akoye dwapade o ba bi na oba so enya we ye bisa se we eye papa na ye be friend aware this aware ma waro e de na ye bone se besia wo skasi be man se ye nyina e kro ne de abom for the sake of the family.
Yeah.
Na yaboa na ebushia ne atumi agina se wo hwe the virtuous woman na Proverbs chapter 31 verse 10 down was oba bro bread ni she was thinking about the household
na sadia no no so na sadia no oh na sadia no enu kire kane no na mba no kra ye ma o che o kan Bible no kra wo say Paul kra na o chance e wo aso dem
na sadia ni say Proverbs ye juma na nde se me afudodo na ye juma
na mema na
e support mema nso ye juma na me kan say se ye ko aware anyame hyehye ye marriage was instituted by God erade na hyehye
yeah
and wa kire na adwen say we free her but on be bom no on be 2+2
but the institution joint account wasn't instituted by Nyankopon
na ya be bom no so I say me nipa bia ya odia na me sika de ya kasa media
so nipa dwen so de bia betwesi
tie why say ma be waro me nipa due odia won so de ya media ba me nya bibia japade bi de ya me ankasa media indeed this say ebetumi de entawantawa ba ana say empapamu aba na me ka say nipa akoma any person minkuminya ni adwenbone ntina sometimes adwenbone ayede kwa warem and asa ade no
enti wugina so kra ne say joint account na ye
eyema awarefo se joint awarefo ebenya ntiase akomakro na omo adwen aware no ho ema ebebem ene ema daache joint accounts ye so omo discover boom na omo project na omo enya dream for the family na omo abom aye ne ma debi obi ni ho a emofra no omo ambre
obi ni ho a emofra no ambre ahwefo mo hwe Oshiwan TV osofo abet sam no wachire no pa me ne nya dwende ene na ya dwen ma because me dey me hu bi pen and no pay anso po bi di na sama to manim be my me no ka say no dwane no serious no ka say oba na tu no and I'm joint account so joint account ya and wo ma ye e dey si dan bansoro si oba na sase so oba ye tu no ya entere me ka say wiase no wo dwen papa dwen bone e ka ho osofo arbesam no asori a ono otuemu Victory Bible Church Elmina ne buafo Pastor Morgan Ata ono nso ewo asokriye mu osofo Morgan me ne hunya dwen o asa me da wo ka wo papa ye dia okay ho
the same was
the same day na membu south say
the two shall be one. Now eya eyimpa se Yankopon gasa ade isia botel na etum na ehu sent ko ya me okay the two shall be one in what? And that's you ask that Yankopon na joint account or
shall be one
in what?
Shall be one on
financially,
emotionally. Nyabute what the nali ne ba o ya ha me shall be one no wo ko Bible ma Genesis chapter 2:25 no also one better naked that came about the oneness
good
wo fru fie soro wadwen soro mama dwen wo musika wo nya no egu account mu ana wo yi as wo de check ko yi musika menya no eno so gumi so account mu nti say ko benkuru mu wo dem mu say yensi abansoro a wo disika bi ba me so me de ba asa na eden ye fisika ngo bom without purpose. Make it
there's a purpose. Only tell us now. Until where you
purpose is a basic dying. The first camera with the bomb. But say a friend uncle account. Debbie, a some who babon. A some babon said they are by.
Until
them we says, I walk at ya. Joint account no advantage a womb pa and any disadvantage a womb. And soon so bonny and soon so pa. Tell me. God medium Tim Hussey.
Mfaso queen there. Oma ne crazy. Odezi ewo sika fam.
First in the okay.
He. Inti ansana be no o keke iska no. Be sen away. Na babo chemi no.
The police in you.
Be no
account to crime ko jina kwa bi ba. And so how will you know? Me the fact corner. How would you know? Because police for na ejo. But because I belong to me ye police into ye be joint account. It means so ye be joint account. Ena ye this guy gum. But because jina kwa e bi to me ba me say. Obi kura me mobro hu asa de me si ye made no kura obi driver no kura to me chama de che me sika ne nyoma. Me the fact different place and also how do you know say and also did no cry baba.
I'm
not telling me what I should expect you to tell me. I'm sorry.
In marriage there should be transparency. There should be a transparency.
Some way.
I just a lawyer. Ya warren it say in actual fact and can you say be BBA suma me yere. Na me yere so di BBA suma me say ka aware pa nyame kwanso a. And he say joint accounts no apart from joint accounts no like there was side issue. Side issue be to me anya no just say e bia enya and the akugu joint the joint account is there for a purpose. But side issue no what is wrong there a baby fee no and then me call a juma no
for point of correction before what was something side issue when is account in your feed no
account
and the side issue you do feed account
side issue it depends if it is so much what is wrong say bia me di so much about until me di say ko go account no near di say ahwe efie near di say aye them it depends on the control of the side issue ne dodo but our area there should be transparency katasumu emuaso ne eba na etumi de bone nso eba nso obonsam na we yesum nipa nti ba bia kan ni no obonsam so ho
ahafo asaba ba ho
obonsa ni ndwuma nyina yesum enti se ehanya mba aware no mu a na esuma si dwa bi ba mu a na edidi aware na se kakra na nipa brabo temptation wom
ya butre ma me obeto wasa no se wo de ho me pese me na se me phone number se de be ya wo mo egu pru na ti bebom 0207 566 185 wo pese wo be ba betumi afre wo amba we so 0207 566 185 aba we aso na obetumi de WhatsApp na fa so wo de fa so e be ken kan ama 0207 566 185 frɛ na yendi nkomode ye kan nyia nie joint account e fata se be ma ne oba mo ko bankro mu e de musika bom koto sika krabia ana so wo adwenkyira febra woni adwenkyira nso na wo pese obusa hwasem a e kwandem wo be frɛ awa abayi so wo be WhatsApp ye wa abayi so 020 7566 185 bomode na frɛ ye also foto wa WhatsApp yeso
aha
ya butre na menya frɛ pedi hello yeah good evening we din na baby awo kasa free
Good evening, but your friend me
ya wo kasa free
Awush Banyard.
aha awush Banyard ya o mayenko ya ka joint account wasem eye
Me pamocho me minjin tum na minjin di se eyen so because inti America say eyen say e bia o be man wa kokum na unye ska dia ya dia na unye ska dia movie and obi e bibia ma na person ntua ne ka umu ni pa ne check no kokoyi ya o be fia wife bi dia ska na kokoyi yen o de eden
and then so boy be ma o message o okoyi ya na ama message yeah
so into bani tin bisa ska na kokoyi yen o de eden na wa be too much oban wo ga wo wa ye wajuma it me the information be minjin tum na yen so
ya awoshi me das papa ya mi shiro bebre
you call
se obi afra ma mi brem kakra
ya butre ma memfa ma ma ntia 0207 566 185 wobodin frɛ ye kasa e wo joint account ho so eye se oba ne be ma moye baako e wo honam mu no nso mbaye baako so wo musika sem ho eno nti mbadwie account baako we e fata media mesenye ena won so kire wadwen osofo se eye because bible say eye honam baako frɛ na kire wadwen 0207 566 185 osofo se wo de honam wamfa nkama oba no na wo de aye ne baako de a musika sam so munye ne baako na ware enye transparency no osofo yanko
yo say ebisa the disadvantage and this and the advantage
yeah
say adibia no no advantages and no disadvantage once there's a disadvantage that's no mean the at the papa this is one of the disadvantages but in a way no in order not to imprison one another the obi aka washe no why not bia your joint accounts but because the bia with this guy made to me ehie sika wo bra bia me hwehwe okra putuprumu empofrimu another made me ehie sika ye bibi bia let me have a personal accounts and there be or have
so petty issues
also a petty issue but for the family let's come together and have joint accounts for the family.
Yeah, good evening.
Evening, Master.
Yamiado, Udi na baby awo kasa free.
Also for making.
Okay, Domi Kwabenya. Yanko, also for okay, my uncle. Yes, you are doing your cream.
Joint account as any day. We got the better we can catch up on the joint account na any one ma worry for joint account na worry for dia average more go joint account no and pempen so ben no do sika from
yes
so and after then no person mo get into no go joint account no yes adia e bit make joint account so grandma worry ni ku
mino kase ba po agu a ye ka ho asem sesei
ebe gunso gunso
enti onia kai also for kai wo hwa wadwen kura ne san kura
emwa ɛyɛ obi culture ɛyɛ obi culture abɔtam obroni adeɛ de bɛyɛ obibini adeɛ ɛmboa joint account ɛyɛ business for dia ɛdi awarefoɔ esi ɔmo ware na bɛma ne yɛ business na ɔba no so yɛ business na sɛ ɛdi sika bɛ busua no ho a na yɛayɛ joint account for a purpose.
Oh, okay.
Apart from that, the Obano Aketia 500 Ghana, Bemano Aketia 300. No need for joint account. Obianya Kasanya account.
Nasabu by every beer. Namudi is gonna bumaje.
Sam, Opa Samu, you are not transferring my fighting. So you have 200 Ghana, 90 million, 100, the fruits of 500. Namudi, I have simple.
But and son of also okay, and some work on also for my Martin wants to say, Sabemano, what you have for more anya day and come Obano, Namaye, I dream back who say, Catasumuya Bakwa. I don't know what Sumuya Baku, no Musica Sumuya Baku. On also the challenge, you don't know.
Yes, Chris, who I say, also on our radio.
As a Hesa,
yes, everything must be spirituality, not formality.
Okay.
Better not it formality, not spirituality.
Oh, okay. Okay, what's that?
Yes, Christ say, Hunam or Balkan become my Hunamba. In the spirit, they are one. In the physical, they are not one. There was some multi affairs.
Oh, okay.
And joint account is physicality.
Okay. It's not spirituality.
It will lead to corruption.
Yamishra everywhere.
Yamishra also. Yamishra. Me so ekoma
why?
Me also put up why you join guys up with for.
Oh, okay. Okay. Catch it almost say do quite a one why in there.
Oh, when you be at the one
Mati, Yamishra everywhere. Mati, Mishra wife, why?
Oh, that's it.
And the one 0207 566 185. Fred, natural what Obisaba Mahoma is ready. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
My wish.
Oh, she my saying Casa.
The patrol, you be any number. Who could be joint account? That's all Banu Kukumna, maybe anything.
And who shall Obano man so down? Yeah, woman to me allow one parent, Momba visitation. Yeah.
This can be the cotton. Now there might be some say. This can be a day on the little fool.
Yeah, sure.
The only true could now can be without one dinner. Or body, old body will be so say, who is standing the quiet. And then one can.
Yeah.
Now, if I tell anyone, that is a part of one member and talk of it. Only no more. I know more.
Oh, more worried, you know. Bakun the Afina or understanding. But also for the one good and Qualantino, me assures okay or come from the point of experience. And then me assure now me free also and there can minimum of my work. Now me imagine my accountant is that the Bayam is contribute to. Let me show 0207 566 185. Frena ending come. Also, when I was one who and send me some.
Yo, that so far and the animal free last. How we can say, Adibia disadvantage woman the advantages.
Yeah, we try. That's why I hot. Hello.
Hello.
But Jumo Fidian, Mammy, Jumo Fidian, and I said to her.
Hello.
Yeah, hello, good evening. She will feel a video no home, Miss Row.
Hello. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening. I said,
hello. Hello.
Wofra, Miss Row, Wofra, now what Jum with Fidiano, would you Fidiana, who Pecraft through Fidiano and Tio, our Fidiano 0207 566 185. Sign free. Wofra Jum Fidiano said a bayer, won't you wow, a fancy who our Fidiano, and I said, could you baby? Na ending come also for na one was afraid. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Evening.
Within a baby I free.
I'm a free Tafukumasi.
Tafu Kumasi my uncle, Yakasa, joint account.
Sergeant and Obana Bema. Namusi Wum. Like 7 million money back. No 4 million in Abuma. Think you will say, can we Canada Bush, Adamon? I don't know about Bush.
What was that some more? What was that some more? But also, also, I saw for me and you, one more just say, Babu, and who was that one? Says I didn't be a bam bemoir, Nabaku, Sassica, I can't. Oh, okay, so for until the way you know what it why.
Yeah, okay.
0207566185 also
to answer his question I'm saying no immediate into me can answer me give say enye sika nko na omde abom aware mu tumi si a wo mu ni ba na once abusua no yetu no me give say enkoye de sika nko a
ya wotre mami hello yeah good evening would you any baby awu frefi
ana me buja say
Akwesi,
me see, Sergeant Accounting. Not a man, me Obama, no Barney, I see Bobum, not a bar my intent, not several wood Bakuko, and I said you would meaning now. And just a local account, the local Banabus and one other man.
Why are they? Obey you are not why? Okay.
Intina me answer lo san ba mu no unse enye sika nko na bia ya di abom there could be other properties bia dan eno so bibi sase e be che ne say once omu ni ba na omu afri mu de ade bia omu bia no akoye ebusua mienu no gidi ese ebusua na say ye sika say ye dan ebusua no ebehu kwan a ombefa so a ombeche bi be kwa ha na ebi akwa ha na coming back to near soft pen kan ya no yeah to some extent me na adwe but ehun say o kan bi say for a purpose na your brother so free awoshi o kan bi say ma omo pa atoto don't do things in a way to control the money because aware na ya be ware ye wani so ade hu see e be say enti what prevents us here this guy
but you have dream nya WhatsApp yi obi a WhatsApp here ono na say ha joint account pa la like I say ono so ka say free akra do me so joint account la like anya duma ono na brabom to aso
what is wrong there ye save towards this party ye person your land ye person ye see dine ye person mu free school fees o mu be ko university into ye save towards it me gidi ye sa e be boa to control and when say na osi mesi afu pra atoto bo wa scanner na ni nyina asa obeji ni pay no 1 week 2-3 days once scanner asa hello
Mr. Jumwa fi de mami
hello
yeah good evening would you any baby awu frefi
na kaza Africa folk ma se fami akwasi awu
okay yanko
le batu mi bi question ni na so fu yi ma no ke emi no e se bubu na ba ku yi duwa o tinka ke be che ama busia no ma na be se obana juma ko yi se be ma no na busia fu ni obana so ena e bi krawo abrabum na be ma ni sabi we need to only to be in on obana ko yes adina and also we say let me observe over there a child ni aka ba mi ni ndesi
okay enti also fu be you are no why
say any how pa
yeah o say bi esi
oba no na aware de eye ensa benkum dware ni fam ni fa dware benkum na ko yese be ni su obi si oba no ya aware enye de na ba ko be wosoro etumi ba se oba na adwuma a wo ye no e wosoro wiska ebotumi nso aba se be ma no nso ni sika e wosoro but once wa bomu a omu ni ba omu nyina afiri mu atetam ne de definitely no awode omutimi echim yen ka se ebia no ba
omu nyina bomu firi mu a
omu nyina bomu afiri
ebusua no na ntena se nchem ne kese ne ko oba no de chi ana ne kese ko be ma ne chi ne hawo no esum
ana ne house na ekoye be ma no se be ka se ye be and abusua na be hu kwan on be fa ba dem ka say ebi anye sika nko ebotumi aye edan ebotumi aye we ebotumi aye no so ba say abusuafo be che ne say nti omo abe hu kwan a on be fa so ba udi akire dia be ka say bi a joint accounts no enye ba me man concerns for a purpose see save towards a purpose a way na timi control sky and na yetimi say sky no ba nsem ana ekọ so why say abe ware na ye wo enisuade hu ye wo botai si ani so no fawebra also fawebra it could be a percentage for 40-50% bra also for 50% of my salary bra you can save towards a particular project ye may ye den yasase to na aboa ye nyina da ache ene ye may I don't think that there's anything wrong anya dem abehu a say individualist ni be mu a be ma a won sure urade no ubehu a no spend this kind of
nti osofo me bebusa sa question dia wo kan me ye atwase kakra nti me bebusa sa question na me fa man be antu dwa na me busa 0207 566 185 obi kra frɛ hello good evening what dey any baby I kasa free
from na question
go see my yanko
we dey be care with our so question
manura
o se bugu na se we na the sport on free man but ya come for your kasa ni ho
kasa ni say
asa the for aka kasa ni ho say brema oba wale a ezo nya faso
on ko ni fie
ko nya faso ko brema do wale a o de nzo de fakako o de bi ade ka oba fato oba do nya ko wale pe ezo de faso ebefi
yeah
la ke ten ke na be wo bugu ndi brema na busu afo no mo ba no ba nya faso ba ne faso ni ne se o be tafi ka brema do ko wale a ka do so ni man wa me pana so
yo me da
okay enti biblically no fa no ka ho
mehu baby a na ni ofiba say ebia na ye obema normally no ye feel say obema na ye dwapade no nti once obema free ba no munya fi dwapade ni na ko joint account the proof wo ho say omo ye joint account nti evidence ni wo ho say nyo obema ne nkwan ne save am obema na busuafo abeka say sika no obema ne nkwan de nti once there's a proof say bank no so be dead say omutu nyina no 70 no mu ni ho a definitely no you want to nyina de nti be ma na busuafo ntimi claim ni nyina say omoba no e na oyo be ma nti scan e ne dia because definitely there should be a proof
so the bank account itself na kasa kura betumi approve
send you nyina hand ntimi mehu baby ofiba
okay
am for
and yembra 0207 566 185 frɛ na busa wasema na so fa WhatsApp efa so na yembra ya asem so biblically no membre na yetia ye nche ebetu yenwai biblically no Bible ka joint account ho asem sen
yen shade ni specific quotation
Bible quote
ebeka say Bible say yembie aware for yembie John Johnson so focus aware
so for domi apostle
but coming from nyame na adwen a wowo amaware no ye nuanum nyina kan nsenti ase wom ba meka esi asem a Pharisee question Pharisee fu bisa Moses no ebisa Jesus Christ na anu ya Jesus nso de ma won no
so wo mtru bonenti
asem a ye bisa iso because me kapa say aware ufi aba ye nyina ya bom si e ware ye wo butai si ani so a enkanya bone ba ne akumaden ni adwenbone ene peseminkuminya a mpempi ye de kɔ aware mu no ena ma entiase ya ware nso ye ntie ho ase nti me ka se no wonder na aware jai bebre aba be ma tiase bia oba ntiase anaso mu nyina mo ntiase we na ma ya ware aka se baba we ni kira we so ni kira ha eno ena ma joint account aye difficult akoye the picture na akoye there eye den ba se ye hwe pa oba ni be ma wote won ho ase a wo decide so mu ye bibia abom no minjini ye se ebe ye difficult ama won na me kan bibi se na ebe ya omo fa ho enhye cage mu no there could be a percentage say ebi afa 50% bra so fine na ye fa en save for a purpose but u 15 na aka no you can use it to because nya bibia na ebi am pese me to na be hume ansa na akoto anase mako ebi am pede me to we me be humi ko ansa na obi e wo so obi sika kra e say John no there should be that kind of freedom in marriage yen chechire ye ho nti the couple can decide on a percentage say bia yen fa percentage MBA joint accounts na no ha na me software do me ya adwen no botai a ye di ABA ni emofra no education since omo JHS omo be ko university ya hwe ya ne ye ho a kire ye ene school fees ne bo ayedin ebedu ho na fe ne ne na mo ko bobosia nti yen save na economic wise no kra no se we dey kakra we dey ka interest ne be kosoro na udi open investment accounts a eco investment a bia mufra no ento anu mo ko
membre ne ntinti ze okra ne say
the kra ne say joint accounts e good na so ni say e de chechire ye ho
okay
enti say butai esie ni so say ye bie joint accounts yi ne ye de atasase ye bie joint accounts yi ye de esidan ye bie joint accounts ye de ahwe emofra ne education a migi say botumi aboa couple na waware no okay ama waware no so etimi edimu na inisa joint accounts so echechire yen
mate inisa joint account
minimi freedom
also for Morgan wo dey to aso said e be ya
me to aso me to no a question no when you say the case be bay I don't know more that I will get another but I'm also trying to there I'll be able to find out the obviously why a joint accountant there's no be any confusion.
Another question I would able to me any major investigation
it's so obedience no why but doesn't also mean there because also why and
also an problem
and why also they also making it so what can the one for problem no they don't know what to do but that's why enjoying it no they know
and what's what plan is saying also say yenye what say yenye
so say as I work for warrior there's nothing wrong with it
mate fa unjia to amoso enjia wo beji ano de chia
Bishop Ene Takiaboy being the general overseer of Vida International
ada na wo ma commentary bomodi na fetu form na Bishop Takiaboy otie
Bishop Ene Takiaboy on a founder and the presiding bishop of Vida Church International never Finfimanton so so pay no Vida Safina so don't know and so the Bishop Richard Amperiduku
okay
na sasa bicham papa so
okay no what been there
there's a pastor and then Reverend Joy Kings na mebusafuna Victor Asafo me na
omati
na ayofuso ina
omati azofu sam
but that's papa interesting but so the share e come dem rokan no nyina your papa Bishop Ene Takiaboy and I'm so na nyina Victory Bible Church and soft penny soft Pedro Bishop Walker Central Region Western Region and Mankasa Meyere Josephine Mrs. Josephine Mofrano Asorim paying for Pastor Kings in Elmina Asofum paying for local council churches chairman and then paying for Nina Mankasa Masofa Yankofu Sofa Oche Sofu Edugen Sofu Ejuri and Mrs. Star and Ninikun Omo and crying Umuhia Yensia Mrs. Star Joanna Oninikun T also with the Enchia Emma Nubia with Victory Bible Church as a Fumina.
Victory Bible Church as a Fudina. Also for Dika and Casa, also for Morgan Atta. Or no, your friend saying youth pastor or share also for Sam. I say, o since said the bear, yade as a fuba, so ever shan some no case crano, a quack cry a beer no. Tea 1 million as for Omudem, a Victory Bible Church, Elmina. No case also for Albert Sam or no district pastor. Until natural say, Elmina district no groom grow as she shall Elmina singing in ano, or motion as say. Crovo will be warm Elmina. Sanso na me no case. Minso medi edi nana kwamna wotwe medi me brofo din edi evangelist Aaron T Banaman eno nta na ya na me bo me brofo din no minso dwuma me ye no sɛ mɛbɛboa sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a youth yɛn nyinaa bɛhu sɛdeɛ yɛsom nyame yɛn berɛ no ayɛ mbe na wopɛ sɛ daa wobɛnya saa television ahwɛ a ɔgye sɛ wotɔ first digital box yi wotɔ bi wotɔ a wokɔ GM bank bia wobɛnya bi atɔ bɔ mmɔden tɔ na edu kwada na sɛ everyday no wode tenase hwɛ Oshiwan program bɛhu sɛ yɛde nneɔma papa na egu akwan so a bɛhu no de abɛboa wo na etumi so ɛde wakɔ anim bɔ mmɔden na next week ni yɛnhyia ɛne ndɛ ɛwɔ China etiefo a mo hwɛ yɛn mekyia obi bia bye bye.
Group Indom, a Ghanaian-owned multinational company, is a conglomerate of some 50 companies in Ghana, Togo, Liberia, Cote d'Ivoire, the United Kingdom, and the USA. It operates in sectors like banking, investment banking, private equity, pension, hospitality, sports, media, advertising, marketing and production, insurance, entertainment and education. The companies are bounded by the common conviction and commitment
digital TV
of working
decoder
in the supreme interest of clients and customers in an atmosphere of seamless collaboration among sister companies. At Group Indom, we serve our customers with enthusiasm, innovation and discipline, and for the company, we serve with loyalty. Group Indom, beyond excellence.